Welcome to Collins Publishing. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can make your first $100 online as a self-published author. So, as a self-publisher, whether you know how to write a book or you don't know, or you don't have any idea about how a book is written, if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to earn your first $100 online through self-publishing. Okay, now let's dive into the steps. The first step that we're going to look at is to get an idea, to get a solution. So each of us, just like we all have something we can offer to the world. So think of that thing you can offer in a book to people that will bring a solution to people, a problem that you can write about, or a fun story, or anything you can write about that will entice people and will make people to feel satisfied after reading such a book. First, you need to have an idea on what you want to write about, and after having the idea, the second step is to start writing the book. You can write it manually, that is writing it from your experience and from your creativity, or also you can write it with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and several AI tools that you can use in order to bring your idea into life through a book. Okay, so after writing this book, another step is to create a book cover. You need to create a book cover because a book cover is what the customers will see first before they buy your book. It is what will attract customers first before they check any other thing that they need in your book, or to see if your book is the solution they are looking for. So when you are creating a book cover, you can use Canva to create beautiful covers, attractive covers that will entice people, that will be attractive, that will captivate people to buy your book. Okay, so a book cover is very, very important as a self-publisher. Okay, so after having or creating your book cover, the next step is to upload the book on Amazon. Yes, it is as simple as ABCD. You upload your book on Amazon, and Amazon will do the selling for you. They will sell it to the world for you. Once you upload it on the platform, Amazon will showcase it to the world, and everyone can be able to see your book and buy. Once they order for your book, Amazon will deliver the physical copy of your book to their doorstep. Then give you percentage, give your own share of the cake. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so aside that, you have the authority to fix any price you want for your book. It can be $6.99, it can be $7.99, it can be $8.99, it can be $9.99. Any amount you think your book is worth and you want to sell it, that is the right you have for your book. You sell your book at any price that you like, and Amazon will showcase it to the world. So this is the step to make your first $100 online through self-publishing. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and also share. See you in the next video.